Hello, friends. I wish you all a great day, and I think you all stay safe at homes. Today, I am going to teach you a new lesson. I think this is a new lesson for you, and this lesson names is subject and predicate. Now, I am going to introduce what is the subject and what is the predicate. You all know subject is who or what the sentence is about. Now you can see this example. The grass is green and the grass is the subject here and is green is the predicate here. And next one is predicate tells us what the subject does. All the sentences have predicates. The predicate is usually the last part of a sentence. It often starts with a verb, and the predicate often starts with a verb. Sometimes the verb is all of the predicate. And you can see here what is the meaning of a predicate. A predicate is a sentence or a clause that modifies a subject. A predicate can either be a verb or a verb phrase plus any other modifier. You can see here predicate examples. John walked faster than James. In this sentence, you can see walk faster than James is the predicate. John recited a poem to her classmates. Here, recited a poem to her classmates is the predicate. Every complete sentence have two parts. What are the subject and predicate? The subject is the who or what is the sentence about. The predicate tells what the subject does. Subject and predicate. Another example is here. I want a new car. And you can see here, I is the subject in this sentence. Want a new car is the predicate here. Every sentence has two parts. What are the subject and predicate? The subject tells whom or what this sentence is about. The predicate tells what the subject is or does what happens to the subject. Example, we can get large potatoes raw on the ground. You can see here, large potatoes is the subject here and the raw on the ground is the predicate. The exam was difficult. You can see here the exam is the subject here. What was difficult? The exam. And it is the subject here. Was difficult is the predicate. And you can see the here mark one. Was is the verb here. And predicate example 2. The man from the shop knows my secret. Who knows my secret? The man from the shop. And you can see here in this sentence, what is the subject? Man from the shop is the subject here. And predicate is knows my secret. And you can see the mark one. Knows is the verb here. And now let's go to another one. Sentence have two parts. Yes, subject. Subject tells noun or a pronoun. Predicate, it tells verb. The subject is who or what. The subject describes us who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells us what the subject does. You can see here three examples. The big green frog jumped across the log. You can see here the big green frog is the subject here and jump across the log is the predicate here. My sweet grandmother wore a blue dress. Who wore a blue dress? My sweet grandmother. The old shack blew over in the wind. The old shack is the subject here. Blew over in the wind is the predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject of a sentence may be a person. Yes, the subject of the sentence may be a person or a thing or else that is doing a action or which a sentence is focused on. The predicate is the rest part of the sentence and this predicate is the rest part of the sentence that modifies a subject. And you can see here some examples. Subject and predicate. A boy is looking to hide himself during the rain. A boy who is looking to hide himself during the rain? A boy. And a boy is the subject here, is looking to hide to himself during the rain is the predicate here. The laptop is placed on the table for charging. What is the thing that placed on the table for charging? The laptop. And the laptop is the subject here and the is placed on the table for charging is the predicate. And now he hits his car with the pole with parking. And who hits his car with the pole with parking while parking? He and it is the subject here in this sentence. Hits his car with the pole while parking and it's the predicate here. Japan is known as the technology hub of the world. What is the thing that known as the technology hub of the world? This Japan. And Japan is the subject here. Is feeling tired and you can see here, you can see mark 1 subject and is feeling tired and wants to sleep is the predicate here. The milk is very good. What was very good? The milk is very good for a healthy body. The milk is the subject in this sentence and is very good for a healthy body is the predicate here. Now let's discuss some question time. And this is the question time. And now let's discuss some questions. Brian enjoyed the baseball game. And who enjoyed the baseball game? Brian. And you can see here, Brian is the subject here. Enjoyed the baseball game is the predicate here. And you can see a straight line. The Brian is the subject here, and the enjoyed the baseball game is the predicate here. The cheetah runs so fast, and the answer is the who runs so fast? The cheetah. And you can see a straight line. The cheetah runs so fast, and the cheetah is the subject in this sentence, and runs so fast is the predicate here. Robert and Tracy dance together. Who danced together? Robert and Tracy. In this sentence, you can see what's the subject? Robert and Tracy. And the predicate in this sentence is dance together. Clara's brother sleeps at all night alone. And whose brother sleeps all night alone? Clara's brother. And you can see in this pictures, in this sentence also, Clara's brother is sleeping all night alone and sleeps all night long is the predicate here, and Clara's brother is the subject here. Brian's parents have a new house. Who have a new house? Brian's parents. And the subject in this sentence is Brian's parents. And have a new house is the predicate here. Brian's cousins go to the movies. Who go to the movies? Brian's cousins. And Brian's cousins is the subject here, and go to the movies is the predicate here. What is the meaning of subject and predicate? So let's see the what's answer and subject and predicate. What is a subject? A subject is a person or a thing. Earlier also I told a subject is a person or a thing that is doing an action, or the person or thing that is focused on the sentence. And you can see here, when we talk about a person is described in this sentence. And what does person doing is the predicate here. And what is a predicate? A predicate of the sentence is the part that contains the action. I told the predicate of the sentence is the part that contains an action. So I think you can understand my lesson, and so I know you can understand my lesson, and that's all we need for today. So thank you for listening to my presentation, and so God bless you. Stay safe, friends. So next day we will meet from indirect and direct objects.